We are blessed. Truly, we are blessed beyond measure. God, the universe, source energy, whatever name resonates with you, has bestowed upon us a remarkable gift, the power to manifest. This power is not just a fleeting thought or a whimsical idea. It is a profound and enduring truth that lies at the core of our being. This is not magic, but a divine principle woven into the very fabric of existence. It is a principle that transcends time and space, connecting us to the infinite and the eternal. Just as God spoke the world into being, so too do we possess the power to shape our reality. Our words, thoughts, and intentions are the tools with which we craft our lives, the brushstrokes on the canvas of our existence. This is not blasphemy, but our birthright. It is a sacred inheritance passed down through the ages, a testament to our divine origin and our limitless potential. We are made in God's image, imbued with a spark of the divine. This spark is the essence of who we are, a beacon of light that guides us on our journey through life. This gift of manifestation is not reserved for a select few. It is not the exclusive domain of mystics or sages, but a universal truth available to all. It is available to each and every one of us, regardless of background, belief, or circumstance. No matter where you come from or what you have experienced, this power is within you, waiting to be awakened. It is time to awaken to this truth, to embrace your divine potential. The universe is calling you to step into your power, to recognize the incredible gift you have been given, and to use it to create a life of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. The stars are aligned, the cosmos is in harmony, and the time is now. Embrace your divine gift and let your light shine. What is it that your heart truly yearns for? Healing, love, abundance, peace? Know this: what you desire is already here. It exists in the realm of the unseen, waiting for you to draw it into your life. Think of your desire as a seed. Planted deep within your heart, it holds the potential for magnificent growth. But a seed alone is not enough. It needs fertile ground, sunlight, and water to flourish. Similarly, your desires need the fertile ground of belief, the sunlight of positive emotion, and the life-giving water of faith to blossom into reality. Without these elements, your desires will remain dormant, unrealized. Belief is the foundation upon which manifestation is built. It is the bedrock of creating the life you envision, the dreams you hold dear. Without belief, the seeds of your desires cannot take root and grow. You must believe that what you desire is not only possible, but already yours. This belief is not just a fleeting thought, but a deep-seated conviction that permeates your entire being. This is not blind faith, but an unwavering knowing, a deep inner conviction. It is the kind of belief that stands firm in the face of doubt and uncertainty, that remains steadfast even when the outer circumstances seem contrary. How do you cultivate this unshakable belief? Through feeling. Feelings are the language of the soul, the bridge between the seen and the unseen. They are the energy that fuels your manifestations. Your emotions are your guidance system, telling you whether you are aligned with your desires or not. They are the compass that directs you towards your true north, the path of your highest good. Feel the joy of receiving your desire, the gratitude for its manifestation. These emotions are powerful attractors, drawing your desires into your reality with magnetic force. Embrace these positive emotions as if your desire has already come to pass. Live in the end, as if your dreams are already fulfilled. This is the secret to manifesting your desires with ease and grace. For in the realm of the unseen, it already has. The universe operates on the principle of vibration, responding to the frequency you emit. The universe responds to your vibration, your feeling state. It mirrors back to you the energy you project, creating your reality in perfect alignment with your inner state. Feel it real, and it will be so. Trust in the process, believe in your power, and watch as the universe conspires to bring your dreams to life. There is a bridge that connects the unseen world of thought and emotion to the physical world of form. That bridge is action. While belief and feeling are essential, they are not enough on their own. The universe will conspire to support you, but it is up to you to take inspired action. This could be as simple as making a phone call, having a conversation, or taking that first step towards your goal. Trust your intuition. Listen to the whispers of your heart. The universe will guide you, presenting you with opportunities and synchronicities. Be open to receiving them and act upon them with courage and conviction. C.S. Lewis wrote, "I believe in Christianity as I believe that the sun has risen, not only because I see it, but because by it I see everything else." This profound statement encapsulates the essence of faith and perception. Just as the sun illuminates the world, allowing us to see everything clearly, so too does faith in a higher power illuminate our lives, giving us clarity and purpose. The rising sun is a daily testament to the power and consistency of the universe, much like the unwavering presence of divine love in our lives. Similarly, the power of God's love to heal is evident in the countless testimonies of those who have experienced it. Across the globe, people from all walks of life have shared their stories of miraculous recoveries and profound transformations. These testimonies serve as beacons of hope, reminding us that no matter how dark the night, the light of divine love is always present, ready to guide and heal. The vastness of the universe, with its countless stars and galaxies, mirrors the boundless nature of this divine love. Believe in your innate capacity for healing. Each one of us is endowed with a divine spark, a connection to the infinite source of all creation. This connection empowers us to overcome challenges, to rise above our limitations, and to heal from within. When we reach out to the stars, we are not just seeking the beauty of the cosmos, but also acknowledging our place within it and our potential to harness its energy for our well-being. Visualize your body restored to perfect health, vibrant and whole. Envision every cell in your body glowing with vitality, every organ functioning in harmony, and every system operating at its peak. This powerful visualization can set the stage for real, tangible healing. Meditation under a star-filled sky can be a profound practice, allowing you to connect deeply with the universe and draw upon its infinite energy. The alignment of stars and planets serves as a reminder of the perfect order and balance that exists in the cosmos and within us. Feel the relief, the gratitude, the boundless joy of being free from ailment. Imagine the weight lifting off your shoulders, the pain dissipating, and a sense of peace enveloping you. Gratitude is a powerful force that can amplify the healing process. By focusing on the positive, on the joy of being healthy and whole, you attract more of that positive energy into your life. The stars twinkling above serve as a reminder of the endless possibilities and the miracles that await us. Just as Jesus healed the sick with unwavering faith, so too can you tap into this divine power within. Faith is a powerful catalyst for healing, enabling us to access the boundless energy of the universe. By believing in the possibility of healing, we open ourselves up to receive it. The serene expression of a person under a starry sky reflects the peace and assurance that comes with faith. With outstretched arms, we can embrace the divine energy that surrounds us, allowing it to flow through us and bring about healing. Affirm your healing, give thanks for its manifestation, and trust in the divine process. Gratitude and affirmation are powerful tools that can reinforce our faith and accelerate our healing. By regularly expressing gratitude for our health and well-being, we align ourselves with the positive energy of the universe. Trust in the divine process, knowing that everything unfolds in perfect timing. The act of giving thanks under a starry sky symbolizes our connection to the cosmos and our recognition of the divine power that guides and heals us. Abundance is not a privilege reserved for the lucky few. It is your birthright, a natural state of being. The universe is infinitely abundant, always providing for your every need. Release any limiting beliefs about money, success, or prosperity. Believe that you are worthy of receiving abundance in all its forms. See yourself living a life of financial freedom, ease, and joy. Feel the gratitude for the abundance that is already flowing into your life. Give generously, for in giving, you receive tenfold. Trust that the universe will always provide, and it will. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. It is the essence of God, the very fabric of our being. If you desire love, know that you are already enveloped in its warm embrace. Open your heart to give and receive love unconditionally. Release any past hurt, forgive yourself and others, and embrace the transformative power of forgiveness. Visualize yourself in a loving, fulfilling relationship. Feel the joy, the intimacy, the deep connection with your soulmate. Believe that love is your divine right, and it will find its way to you. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, our desires don't manifest as quickly as we'd like. This is where faith and trust in divine timing come into play. The universe operates in perfect order, orchestrating events in ways we may not always understand. Surrender your desires to God. Release any attachment to the outcome and trust that everything is unfolding according to a divine plan. Focus on the present moment, cultivate patience, and know that your desires will manifest at the perfect time. Embrace the journey, for it is in the waiting that we grow, learn, and become more aligned with our true selves. You are not a passive observer in your life, but an active participant, a co-creator with God. You have the power to shape your reality, to manifest your deepest desires, to create a life of purpose, joy, and abundance. Embrace this truth with unwavering faith. Believe in the power of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Trust in the divine guidance that is always available to you. The world is your canvas, and you are the artist. Paint your masterpiece with bold strokes of faith, love, and gratitude. Your life is a testament to the divine power that resides within you. Go forth and create your dream reality.